Hi and welcome to this YouTube video, and today, part 3 of running an operating system from floppy disk. Specifically, from this one. At least I think. I haven't checked what was on it, see if this was the same one yet. Have a new setup here, monitor, new keyboard, new mouse. Let's go. Oh yeah. That's broken. Not because it's laying on the carpet, it's actually broken. Let's do this. Electrical tape over this because I used to have this on overnight. Didn't want the light to wake me up. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. An actual monitor now instead of a TV. I think this is supposed to be 1600 by 900. Yep, this is it. Okay. New mouse. Don't move it around like this. Move it to you. Move this little ball here. Not 1024 by 768. Should I do this one now? 1600. Real floppy. Via. We should be good. Remember current settings? Yes. Right there, loading 0%. 1, 2. I'll be back. Right now it is 9:22 p.m. I'll be back. Just hit halfway done at 9:26 p.m. This is gonna take a while. It is finally done at 9:29 p.m. Let's do this. Hold up. It's not turned on. Hold on. Unplug it, plug it back in, maybe. No. Plug the USB-C into the front USB port. Come on. Hold on. I'm gonna get a mouse to see it. A normal mouse to see if this works. Hold on. Oh, sorry for that. Looks like I have to navigate with the keyboard. Oh, enter. Okay. Settings. Devices, I guess. Oh, wow. I cannot read shit. Yes, first I've got to somehow change the language. Hold on. I'll see what, if I fix this, I'll just try to fix this for a second. I've come to the conclusion that it is just that one program that shows in what I guess is Russian. I'm gonna get a translator out really quickly. Hold on a second. There we go. Holding, recording with one hand and using translator with another. But okay, I got it. Can I navigate? Tab. Bro. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. I'm trying to change this from Russian to English. Just find a way to get my damn mouse to work. You'll be easy assistant time. Do not forget attention. Okay. 1 second while I try to find a way to get this mouse to work. I cannot find anything to get this fixed. This is not going good. Okay. Just hold on 1 second. Vertical refresh rate, that's what it is. Okay. Let's do this. Checkers. Okay. Good. Games. Checkers right there. Okay. So I will move this here. This here. Okay, we're both down one. I can overtake this one to right here, but then I'll leave this one being able to overtake that. I'm playing this safe. Oh, I have to overtake it with this one. Okay. There's no overtake. taking for me right about now. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay. Stuff's going good for me right now, but it's gonna start not going good. What? How can they do multiple moves when taking mine, but I can't do multiple moves when taking theirs? Bullshit. Damn. Mm-hmm. Ooh, oh. That got moved all the way up there. They're cheating. Because to get moved from here all the way to up here, they'd have to take something that's right there, then something that's right there, then something that's right there, and there. I'd not have none of those there. You know, they're cheating. This is not going good for me. Wait, can I? Oh, okay, so this game isn't stupid. This is the only move I can make. It's not my best game. Let's see. Okay, the maximum coin time got reached. What the fuck is this? Get the fuck away. Okay. I can't even navigate this with my keyboard. That's about as good as I can do right now without my mouse working. Anyways, share, like, subscribe, comment, make sure comments, good comments, and bye.